Welcome. In this subunit, we will discuss audits of security and privacy as we continue to learn about the many types of assurance services that you'll likely encounter on the CIA exam. So let's get started. Our first topic will be security. As internal auditors, we tend to think of security as a topic specific to IS, information security, or IT, information technology. While security in an organization is often associated with IT or IS, it can also be viewed more broadly. For instance, protecting employees and visitors from workplace violence is a crucial general security concern. Therefore, security is a key governance and risk management issue beyond just IS and IT. The internal audit function assesses how well management's controls are designed and implemented across all security areas. Having said that, we will focus a bit more on the technology risk domain. Information security auditing is a crucial assurance service conducted by internal auditors. The development of organization-wide computer networks, which can be accessed by many external parties, has significantly heightened risk. Therefore, the internal audit function must assess these risks, oversee the implementation of corrective actions, and evaluate the effectiveness of controls. Internal audit can also serve an advisory role by identifying security issues and collaborating with information systems users and security personnel to develop and implement controls. Additionally, internal audit works closely with senior management and the board to support governance functions related to information security. The chief audit executive should be knowledgeable about globally recognized control frameworks and consider those adopted by the organization. For each organizational objective, the chief audit executive should gain and maintain a comprehensive understanding of the control processes and their effectiveness. The internal auditor might create a risk and control matrix to document risks that could impact the achievement of objectives, highlight the relative importance of these risks, identify key controls within processes, determine which controls have been assessed for design adequacy and are functioning as intended. The board is responsible for providing adequate governance and oversight, which includes identifying principal risks, implementing controls, and managing privacy risks by establishing and monitoring a privacy framework. Management is responsible for implementing risk management activities to address risks related to security. For your information, this includes privacy, which we will get to momentarily. The internal audit function evaluates the privacy framework, identifies significant risks, and makes recommendations. Internal auditors should consider relevant laws, regulations, and practices, guidance from privacy personnel within the organization, legal counsel's advice, and IT specialist security efforts. The involvement of the internal audit function varies based on the maturity of the organization's privacy practices. Internal auditors may help develop and implement the privacy program itself. They may assess management's privacy risk evaluation, or they may provide assurance on the effectiveness of the privacy framework.